Hey YouTube, well go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace the tail lamp on this Chevy Malibu. As you see right there, this one is cracked. One time for the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and remove it. First we're gonna need some clip puller. That's what we're gonna need, and also we're gonna need this right here, 8mm. We're gonna need an 8mm with an extension and a ratchet handle, and that should do the trick. So first thing first, the clip puller gonna come right here, which gonna hook into right here. Unplug these. This here is not gonna be too easy as this because I already take this out. I pre-pulled them. So in here you're gonna have 3 8mm. One gonna go right here, one right here, one right there, and that's about it for the 8mm. Just want to go ahead and just take it loose, guys. Link will be in the description for the tools I use, and also if I find a lamp, the tail lamp, I will leave a link in the description for it as well. It's also the same for the right side, so it doesn't matter which side you're changing. If you're changing the left side or the right side, it's gonna be the same. Just like that. So over in the back, you're gonna pull this red piece up and squeeze this black piece in. So this is what I'm showing you guys. This red piece, it locked the clip, so you want to pull this red piece back like that, squeeze this piece in right here, and that will unplug it for you guys. So once everything is loose in the front, you want to just come ahead and just kind of give here a light tap while pulling it to the rear of the car, so and it's gonna come out just like that. And the rubber insert right there, that seal, you want to just push it through and it will come straight through just like that. So once you get your new tail lamp, you want to run the wire through this hole right here and come on the other side and pull it through. So let's pull it through, even though I pull it too far through, but you can always set it. So just set the rubber, make sure it's set properly, because if you do not set that, the water will leak into the car, and you don't want to have a car with water leaking into it because it's gonna start smelling. So make sure when you finish, it sit properly like that, and then you can push this back, line it up with the holes. Once you line up with the holes, so you want to make sure it sit flush along the body of the car. Go ahead, get your 3 8mm. and tighten them up. Please do not over tighten them, do not break them, just tighten them snug to the car, and that should do the trick. So just tighten both of them, all 3 up, and plug that in over there. And push down the red clip, the red safety clip. So you want to put this part up too. Make sure you put it underneath here, because the rubber, you want to put it underneath here so it looks good. Get your clip and put them back in, And that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And I know I have music in the background, but that's not my music. I'm gonna be copyrighted for that. Alright, peace out. See you next time.